This is a Preston II. It is 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. These are Hickory cabinets, and this is a customer's home already on site. And we're just going to tour the main things in this home today. These are really great pendant lights. This is great. This is an area that's in a lot of homes now that we build. This little coffee area, nook area. Gives you a lot of extra countertop space. Yeah, cabinets above the fridge. This is our mountain trim. And here is a great example of doors versus drawers. And notice the very, very deep ones there in the middle, and then smaller ones on the outside. It's a great idea. Think about all your pots, etc. This is the living room to here. We've got 2 windows on either side of a sliding door. Your second bathroom is back there in the back. And here is your dining area, which is very large. 3 windows in the front. When you come in this house, you come through the laundry room. Now this is one that you go straight from the laundry room into your master bedroom. So it's great. There's where you come in from your garage. Here's your laundry, your cubbies. Here's an extra closet. And then here you would have a door and go into your master bath. So this is a double vanity in this one. Again, there's the mountain trim. And I love this shower in this one. I'll try to take it from a few different angles so you can see it. Glass doors. Go down, but let's take a peek inside. So you can tile your shower, and then you get this great Onyx lifetime guarantee floor. And Onyx is the same shower floor as the same thing that your sinks have. And this is a shallow one, so this isn't the standard one, this is a different one. I'm not sure if it's the Milan or a Wave, but you do have different bowl styles you can choose from. And this is the really nice Onyx lifetime guarantee sink. You have 2 windows on either side of the bed. Of course, you could swap that out and choose to do 3 across the back, which is their typical. Nice closet there. And if you go around here, you'll notice another closet. And there you have it, Preston II.